Hello everyone, so today we have 256 to the power of k plus k equals to 0 and k is the unknown. So we're going to solve together. Let's take solution. So the first step, we're going to take a to the right hand side so that we have 256 to the power of k will be equals to minus k. So in the next line, we will try to eliminate the power of k by raising both sides to the power of 1 over k, that is 256 to the power of k to the power of 1 over k is equals to minus k to the power of 1 over k. So here, k will cancel out k. What is left is 256 is equals to minus k to the power of 1 over k. But 256 can be written in an index form as 4 to the power of 4, and therefore this is equals to minus k to the power of 1 over k. Thank you for staying tuned. Please click on the subscription button to subscribe to our channel, and also turn on the notification button, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Alright, so let's continue. We're going to say let m be equals to 1 over k. That means k is equals to 1 over m. So we're going to put this here so that the next line becomes 4 to the power of 4 is equals to k is 1 over m minus 1 over m, and 1 over k is equals to m to the power of m, and we are fine. But 1 all over a can also be written as a to the power of minus 1. So we're going to do that here. So the next line becomes 4 to the power of 4 will be equal to minus m to the power of minus 1 and to the power of m. Again, a to the power of n to the power of m can be written also as a to the power of n times m. So if we agree on this one, we're going to use minus 1 to multiply m so that 4 to the power of 4 therefore will be equals to minus m to the power of minus m. But recall that 1 over y to the power of y equals to 1 over x to the power of x. Here we can say x is equals to y by comparison. So by comparison also, minus m will be equals to 4. And if we multiply both sides by minus 1, m therefore will be equals to minus 4. But recall that k was assumed to be 1 over m. So if we put in our value, k equals to 1 over m, so that k will be equals to 1 all over m is minus 4 over minus 4. And so this is our value for k. And to verify if the value satisfies the equation, from our original equation 256 to the power of k plus k is equals to 0. So that 256 will be to the power of minus 1 over 4 plus minus 1 over 4. Will this be equal to 0? And if you do this very well, 256 also can be written as 4 to the power of 4 to the power of minus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 4. Can this be equal to 0? Plus times minus is minus. But a to the power of n to the power of m will be equals to a to the power of n times m. So the power will multiply. Then we have 4 to the power of 4 times minus 1 over 4 minus 1 over 4. Can this be equal to 0? Here we have 4 to the power of 4 will cancel 4. What is left is minus 1 minus 1 over 4. Can this be equal to 0? And we know 4 to the power of minus 1 minus 4 also to the power of minus 1 is equals to 0. So it's true that the value of k is equals to 1 all over minus 4. Thank you for staying tuned. We'll see you in our next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.